Ever wonder why some folks stroll out of a casino grinning while others just look defeated? I'll let you in on a secret. It's not all about luck. It's about playing smart and managing your bankroll like a pro. Today, I'm giving you my top strategies to help you stay in the game longer, lose less, and maybe even walk out a winner. Love direct casino advice without the fluff? Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more smart tips from someone who's been there, done that, and learned a thing or two along the way. Let's dive in. First up, bankroll management. Here's the real deal. Casinos are built for entertainment, not to hand out easy money. But if you play smart, you can keep things fun and keep your losses in check. Your bankroll is just your gambling budget. The cash you'd be okay losing, no harm done. Think of it as your ticket to stick around for the good hands and the lucky spins. Burn through it too fast, and you're out before the night's even started. Manage it wisely, and you'll keep your cool, play smarter, and have a way better time. So, how do you set a bankroll the smart way? Start by picking a number you're comfortable with, say, $200 for the night. Now, split that into smaller chunks. Don't march up to the table with your whole bankroll in hand. Take 50 or 100 to play and stash the rest for later. Here's another pro move. Set limits for both wins and losses. If you double your chips, cash out. If you lose half your session money, take a break. These limits keep you from falling into the trap of chasing losses, which, trust me, is a fast track to walking out empty-handed. Now let's stretch that bankroll. Game selection is huge. Stick to games with the lowest house edge. Think blackjack, baccarat, or video poker. The lower the edge, the longer you last. And don't rush into high-limit tables until you've got some experience under your belt. Smaller bets mean more hands, more learning, more fun. And here's a tip nobody tells you: slow down. Take your time between hands or spins. The faster you play, the faster you lose. Simple as that. Keep a quick tally of your wins and losses, even just in your head or on your phone. It helps you spot patterns and keeps impulsive decisions in check. At the end of the day, the smartest casino players don't chase the thrill. They manage it. Know when to walk away, when to enjoy the moment, and always play within your limits. The real win? Walking out knowing you played your best game. If these tips hit home, smash that like button and subscribe for more straight shooter advice. Remember, the smartest win you can score at the casino is knowing when to stop. Play smart, stay sharp, and I'll see you next time.